Yes, ladies and gentlemen, now overlap episode. My brother, how are you?
I'm fine.
Ubani igama lakho?
Ngegama nguKgaogelo isibongo Makinta.
Oh, Kgaogelo Makinta.
Yebo.
What's your story?
My story is that I was born in Alex and raised in Alex.
Yeah.
And I do see that there are a lot of things that are supposed to be developed for the youth.
Okay.
Such as social developing.
Yeah.
Developing children that don't get opportunities to show their talents.
Yeah. Ngiyakuzwa. So wena what talent lakho yini?
Talent lam.
Yeah.
Talent lam ukucula.
Oh.
Ukujiva.
Okay.
Ukugijima.
Yeah.
Ukupheka.
Okay.
Nokunye engakwazi.
So yini challenge yakho ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi lezi zinto uzenze zenzeke?
My challenge is not getting opportunities of doing what I wanna do in life.
If I have to give you an opportunity,
yes.
What kind of an opportunity?
Maybe get me equipment that I will work and accompany me with learners who are at my same age. Show up talents that we were given by God.
Mawucabanga wena bese sikhuluma iqiniso nje lo mhlaba nje. Do you think it possible lento le ukuthi kuzoza umuntu akunika equipment?
It's not possible.
So if ayenzeki kanjalo mawucabanga yini enye option bongaba nayo elifini mawucabanga njengomntwana omfana?
Umntwana omfana. Enye option ukuthi ngiye esikolweni ngiqedelela ama studies wami.
So uqede ku standard bani wena isikole?
I used to school at Minerva.
Yeah.
I was expelled at.
Why you were expelled?
Because of I was selling Sweet Rolls at school.
So bakuqoshela lokho nje?
Yebo.
Ukuthi uthengisa ama Sweet roll?
Yes.
Why?
Cause I was in a situation where I was condemned by adolescent stage.
Asikhuluma iqiniso.
Yebo.
Lama Sweet roll bo wathengisa lawa. Ama Sweet roll straight fear or bewanenye into esingazi ukuthi ineda kwabantu.
Fear.
Yeah.
I used to stock them where I used to buy those Sweet roll at the age of 2 years.
Bothengisa ama Sweet roll anama drugs?
No.
Ama Sweet roll straight fear nami ngingaledla lelo Sweet roll.
Yeah, ungaledla.
Manje bakuqosha kanjani esikoleni?
It's just that me, I used to have a problem. I used to smoke drugs.
Yeah. Manje iqiniso mele ulikhulume.
Yes.
That's why bakuqoshile esikolweni.
At school they
uqale nini ukubhema?
I started smoking at the age of 14 years.
Uintroduce obani lapho? Uhlangane nayo kanjani idrug elifini yakho?
Idrug ngihlangane nayo ngikimkim. Bokunesinye scheme eAlex bathi iColorway.
Awungitshele. Kanti nina nikhula kanjani Alex? Nami ngizalele Alexandra ngikhulele Alexandra mara za angiyazi drug nokuthi injani nangekhala. Nina kanti nikhulela kuphi? Kusho ukuthi mawusana 14 kuyo yonke into ebekhona eAlexandra Township wena mawukhula into eyibonile i-drug festing.
No, into engibonile showing up your talent and social developing children who don't have opportunities to
so mawubona ukuthi ke i-social development ayilethi ama-social development activities wena waphuka umoya wena waye ema-drugsini?
No, drugs I started smoking it after my small brother was born, Musa.
Kanjani?
Musa was a disabled boy.
Oh, so yayenza ukuthi ubheme lento le ngoba yena u-disabled.
And I was bengikhulisa ubaba mangishiya ngisasana 7 years.
Sonke sishiwa bobaba. sonke akekho lo ubaba khe bekakhona esikhaleni singama-Afrika abo baba bethu abekho abanye baye emajele abanye baye Terfontein abanye bebakhona kufana noma bangekho so that was supposed not to be an issue that leads you to drugs.
Yes, I hear you out.
You were supposed to stand as a man and take responsibility to upgrade yourself and upgrade your family and help your brother with disability. When ucabanga ukuthi ukubhema ama-drugs will solve the problem, will make you forget about the responsibility that you're supposed to take. Kanti you're making situation worse.
Causing more problems.
Angitholanga opportunity mina yoku-actor. Ngiyicreatile.
You created it.
There won't be an opportunity for a black boy. You need to create it on yourself. Sikhulele thuseyong thina sikhulele emva kwendlu si-acte emva kwendlu. Masi siyojoyina basixosha bathi one side. But that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. You are in the making. Here we are today, we are superstars. We've made it. So, what I'm trying to say, there is no excuse in life. We all share the equal 24 hours.
Problem solved.
Makuyi 24 hours kuThabo Mbeki manje nakuzuma i24 nakimi is 24. Akekho na 36 hours extra because yerugqoka itie. No. Bawesa abo Jacob Zuma abo Nelson Mandela bakhulele le ezilaleni.
Emakhaya.
When you were born in a city called Alexandra. Nai Santin, Nai Rosebank, Nai Kelvin, Nai Bartley, Nai Limbro Park. You are surrounded by wealth.
Ngapha bengithi cheese ngenkani. Bangithengela ama-tiki, Nike free, isikhathulo esinye nesinye esifunayo.
Uyabona ukuthi uwes ke wena.
Ngumntwana kama.
Uyabona uwes ke wena. Thina ke besigcoka ama-sandals wamajuta bayababuya nawo emakhishini. Wena bowuthengelwa ama-Nike nama-Lacoste wena. Sebakuphethe kahle kini. Yibo ungazange ube nevision. Lokuphatha kahle kusale kwavala ama-dreams wakho wonke. What I'm trying to say to you, my boy, mamela now. To be in a space that you are, it's not because you're coming from poverty. Ngoba when I talk to drug addicts, almost of them, they were well maintained. Bangitshela nine bathi mawuthina azange sihlupheke ithi sikutshela iqiniso. Kithi bebasebenza besidla kamnandi. Ngizingenele mina la ngikuphapha.
Yeah, ngikuphapha. Ngokuba easily influenced.
Why thina singangenanga lapho?
Because you know that drugs are not meant.
We were told about drugs by our parents with the drugs. Who else in the entertainment industry? Ne? When we were at Dr. Knack Primary School. No 5.
Yeah.
We all rehearse lapha.
Yeah.
The process of helping you will start there.
Okay.
Angit?
Yeah.
Uyayazi Dr. Knack Primary School.
I do know Dr. Knack.
Corner Selborne.
Yeah.
And 10th Avenue.
Yeah.
Uye lapho you rehearse lapha. Angit you say you're talented.
Yeah.
You can sing, you dance, you are an artist.
Yeah, 5-star talent.
Yeah, good. You must go there.
Okay.
Mawufika ubatshela ukuthi yimi ngithi ofike lapho. Noma ngekho you must go there. Angithi ukofuna usizo.
Yeah.
And then the helping process will begin there. We'll see from there.
I do thank God to see it with a super.
So ungene kanjani la kule charity? Wazi kanjani ukuthi sikhona?
I can say God brought me here.
Wazi kanjani ukuthi sikhona?
I just knocked at the gate. Then I heard voices and I saw a camera.
Oh, so uyazi ngihlala lapha.
I know what the GP Ma Orange lives here at 11.
Oh, you came
I
before.
used to come here and sell documents that I create from Kgaogelo.
Oh. Yeah. No, ungawari. Utho ubani igama lakho? Kgaogelo. Sizohlangana erehearsal.
Yeah, rehearsal, yeah.
All right. Get your professor bafethu GP Ma Orange. One and the only. up close and personal with JP Orange. Subscribe and support. This is for you. This is for the people. By the people. Case closed. It's a wrap. We'll see you next time.